Now we need to count back in ones from a 4-digit number. So here we start with 2106. So we can see 2000 blocks, 100, no tens, and 6 ones. If we count back in ones, we get 2105, 2104, and then when we continue counting back in ones, we get to 2100. But now we don't have any more ones, so how can we continue counting back in ones? Well, what we need to do is first exchange this 100 for 10 tens, and then we can exchange one of these tens for 10 ones. So now we can continue taking one away each time. If we take away this one, we get 2099, because we've now got 2 thousands, no hundreds, 9 tens, and 9 ones. And that makes sense because the number before 100 is 99, but it's really important that we remember this 0 here in our hundreds because we need to show that we still have 2 thousands. If we ignored the 0, we would have written 299, but these blocks here are thousands, not hundreds, so to show that, we need a 0 in our hundreds. And then we can continue counting back until we get to 2097. We could also show the counting using place value counters. So we start with 2106, then we have 2105, 2104, and we continue counting back until we get to 2100. Then, to keep counting back in ones, we need to make some ones counters, and to do that, we need to exchange. First, we can exchange our 100 for 10 tens, and then we can take one of those tens and exchange it for 10 ones. And that means that we can continue counting back until we get to 2097. So that's 2 thousands, 0 hundreds, 9 tens, and 7 ones. So now let's try counting back from 4003. Next we have 4002, 4001, 4000, but now to take one away, we need to do lots of exchanging. First, we can exchange one of our thousands blocks for 10 hundreds, then exchange one of our hundreds for 10 tens, and then exchange one of our tens for 10 ones. So then, if we take one away from 4,000, we get 3,999. You can see that we now have 3 thousands, 9 hundreds, 9 tens, and 9 ones. So we were taking one away, but because our ones digit was a 0, and our tens digit a 0, and also our hundreds digit, that meant that our thousands digit needed to change as well, because we needed to exchange. So then we can continue counting back, taking away 1 each time until we get to 3,994. We can also show the counting here using place value counters. So we start with 4003. We can take one away until we get to 4000. But then, to count back or to take one away from 4000, we need to exchange 1,000 for 10 hundreds. Then, take one of those hundreds and exchange it for 10 tens. And finally, take one of those tens and exchange it for 10 ones. So then, we can take one away to get 3,999. Then we can continue counting back until we've got to 3,994.